In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Remote Play not working or won't connect. By the end, you'll have a clear checklist to get your streaming session running smoothly again. First, start with a clean slate. Restart both the host computer, the one running the game, and the client computer, the one you are streaming to. After both machines are back up, open Steam on each, go to Settings, then Remote Play, and toggle Enable Remote Play off and back on. Doing this refreshes the feature and clears temporary glitches that often cause connection failures. Next, optimize your network. Remote Play is sensitive to Wi-Fi conditions. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection on at least the host machine. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to a 5 GHz network, rather than 2.4 GHz, to reduce interference and latency. Also avoid using a VPN during streaming. VPNs can reroute traffic and add encryption overhead, which may block or delay Steam's connection. If you still have trouble, adjust the advanced settings. In Steam's Remote Play settings on the client, open Advanced Client Options and uncheck Enable Hardware Decoding. On the host, disable Hardware Encoding. These options are meant to accelerate video processing. But on some systems or driver versions, they can introduce instability. Turn them off to force a software path and test. If performance is acceptable and the connection holds, you've found the culprit. You can always re-enable them later to compare. Keep your software current. Update your graphics drivers on both machines using your GPU manufacturer's utility or driver download page. Outdated drivers are a common source of decoding and encoding errors. While you are at it, make sure the Steam client itself is up to date. Steam typically updates automatically, but you can check in Settings or from the main menu. Now verify your security software isn't in the way. Open your Windows Firewall or third-party antivirus suite and confirm that Steam is allowed through for both private and, if needed, public networks. If you recently changed security settings, refailing Steam can restore the connection. Finally, opt out of the Steam client beta. Beta builds can be unstable and sometimes break Remote Play. In Steam settings, find the beta participation option and switch to the stable release, then restart Steam when prompted. Work through these fixes in order, testing after each one to resolve Remote Play issues. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.